Sophia here from My Great Challenge. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 14. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. I hope you get all the chocolates and flowers you wanted. I personally don't want any because one, I can't have chocolate right now, and two, flowers, they wilt away, you know. They get bad. So we decided not to do anything for Valentine's Day this year, and I'm pretty happy about that. So what am I doing today? We are in zone 3. Zone 3 is the second floor for me. In this video I'm going to do the landing. So what does it mean for me? It means dusting, washing the woodwork, all of the door frames and doors, the knobs, and checking out on light bulb. I have one that's out, so I have to replace that, and that will be it. And then in the next video I'll start doing the staircase, because I count that as zone 3, because zone 3 is easy for me. If I was counting the staircase as zone 5, which is the basement and the living room, it'd be too much. I would never get the stairs done. So then I'll do the staircase, and then after that I'll start doing some stuff in the office. I'm not doing the kids' room because they are clean, they are organized, they are decluttered. There's really nothing I need to do in there. I already did all of the mopping and the vacuum I needed to do. I already cleaned the windows and I already dusted all the shelves. So there's really nothing I need to do in there. So let me get started. I have an R.C. Gorman print here that I really love. And if you know my channel, you know I love R.C. Gorman. I got it for $9 at a garage sale. This is a printed poster. The one I have downstairs is a lithography. It's an actual one that's signed by him. But I really love it. And every month I do the glass, because when I come upstairs there's light from here that reflects and you can see dirt and prints and whatever. So I make sure it's always clean. And I do the frame. That's it. Now this mirror here, I don't need to do because I did it during my home blessing hour. There's no prints on it. I'm just gonna do the top here. Make sure there's no dust, and that's it for that. So let's start dusting. I have my feather duster here, and I'm going to do the ceiling and all the corners, right? Because there's some cobwebs here and there. And then when I get the hot water and the suds, I'll do the top of the door frames, all of the door frames and the walls. Being in zone 3 or any zone is a good idea to take the time to do your light bulbs. Especially, you know, I have a missing one right here, so we're gonna change that. And this is dusted already. Okay, I'm only 5'5", and this is too tall for me. So I got hot suds on one of the FlyLady Rags, and I'm just gonna do the tops right here. And once in a while I may see a stain. Don't know how I got there, but I'm taking care of it. And I'm gonna do the rest of that door. So I've done all my woodwork, all the top of the frames. I've done the chandelier. I dusted all the corners and all the walls. So now I'm ready to switch water. I have Murphy's oil, not soapy water, because I like the smell of it, and my clean rag. And I'm gonna go ahead and do all the walls because there's kids' prints all over. I'm done. Didn't take too long, I did it. And I do that every 2 or 3 months. Because you don't need to do it every month, alright? And that's the beauty of the FlyLady. So now if I have people coming over, like Scott's parents, they're coming, let's say, next month. It's not like I'm gonna have a ½ an inch worth of dust accumulating on top of those door frames, you know what I mean? So you just do it every quarter, something like that. And then in between, if you see a spot, you could just go at it, you do touch-ups, right? Now, as I'm doing this, I realize that I think it's time to repaint the whole thing. I have some dings on the walls, I have some dings on the door frames. Some of the caulking that I did 8 years ago has cracked, so all of this is going to be redone. It's probably going to be happening around spring cleaning time, but if you do this consistently, you don't need to spring clean. So that means that when it's time to spring clean, you can actually address all those areas of your house that need a little bit of putty here and there, a little bit of touch-up paint. You got time for it, all right? I hope you all have a wonderful Valentine's Day. We're not celebrating because we don't care. It's just like we celebrate our love every single day. Don't you?
Willie's birthday.
Oh yeah, we got Willie's birthday too on Saturday, and we have Willie's birthday on Saturday, so that's the real celebration. Happy birthday, Willie. He's going to be 12 years old. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.